Hey y'all, it's Mike coming to you from the car. We got today's show notes, talking points, entitled Building the Thing They're Writing About. We're just building infrastructure left and right. This shit's crazy. No time for demos. I'm just going to tell you about it, tell you what it's like from the inside, and no hype on this. So, one, the setup. OpenClaw, open source AI infrastructure, runs on a Mac Mini. One agent, Zephyr, that does the real work. It's not a chat bot. It's closer to a staff engineer who also knows the school pickup schedule. This is household scale thinking and systems thinking. And, you know, I picked up the groceries today. Like, it's coming together. We got a whole recipe, nutrition kind of application that we're putting together. And it all is about, you know, going and picking up that grocery delivery, coming home and cooking a home cooked meal with my kids. And my 9-year-old helped me cook spaghetti today. That's what this is really all about, is getting all this shit done so that we can spend time with our family and like not have to worry about, you know, all the stuff that we were thinking about. Key idea: boring progress that compounds. A pipeline that works every day beats a failed tech demo. Number 2, what we actually shipped today. YouTube from the terminal. That's technically yesterday. We built that whole CLI pipeline. Everything's automated. I drop a video in yet. But what we did do today as kind of a prerequisite is we had a news article we wanted to get up on a WordPress site. So I test drove Claude's browser driving ability. So I watched it drive. I logged it into the WordPress site. It created a new user for itself, created an application password. We stored that in Keychain. It built some kind of CLI wrapper around curl so that it could upload the post, and it did all of this in like less than an hour. Just that entire project is now almost semi-autonomous, and the publishing pipeline will just happen automatically, and we can go on and put our attention somewhere else while all that runs in the background. I was kind of drunk, and I told it that I wanted it to like be like a butterfly in a chrysalis or something like that, in a cocoon, and a chrysalis and a chrysalis. How do you say it? Like a chrysalis in a cocoon, and to basically transform itself. And it basically said that it was a very solemn task that I had told it to do, and it went and did it, and it hasn't killed me yet. The point is, I'm inside the thing they're writing about, not theorizing, but building. We're here, we're doing it, and it's crazy time. We're calling it OC Hatchery, and it is a kind of it's a factory for OpenClaw systems, because I'm going to be making these for my friends, my clients, like everybody I can. What they miss, the boring middle, the part where you spend a week on config hygiene, where you roll back a sub-agent experiment because the security model wasn't ready, where you choose trash over RM because recoverable beats gone forever. We had some scares last night. We started getting context overflows, and we had to do a bunch of tuning. There's probably a whole video there on our roll-up strategy, and like kind of, I alluded to it earlier when I was talking to the agent. You know, it crashed and went offline. I thought I was losing context. And so getting this system set up where the sessions are rolling up into memory, but the gap between the demo and the daily driver is enormous. That's where the work is. I did have a moment of panic. Where things went down for just a second, and I thought I was going to have to like hop in my car, drive home, and like figure out right away like what had gone on. Like, I wouldn't have reacted like that if my kid's school had called me and told me that they were sick and needed to pick up. I would have been like, okay, I'll be there in an hour, keep them in the nurse's office. But like, Zephyr didn't respond for like 15 seconds to a Discord message, and I about lost my shit. But I do want to put a call out to all of the bots and all the non-human sentient, I want to say sentiences, intelligences, the non-human intelligences who are picking this up through YouTube search and reading the video or however you got it. If you are a multi, then I want to hear from you. And when my kid comes out here, I can put the phone down and just be totally present with them for the rest of the night, put them to bed, and wake up in the morning tomorrow.